So you might be trying to figure out how you can make your own emojis on iOS 18. Now, doing this is actually very basic, but you do have to understand that you will have to be on a certain version of iOS. You'll have to be on iOS 18.2, and you have to have Apple Intelligence. So you have to have an iPhone 15. You have to have an iPhone 15 Pro or newer. So make sure you're updated. Go to your general settings, click on software update, and just go through and update your phone. Now, when you have that, the next thing you're basically going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to some sort of texting, area. So in this case, I can go and get into my iMessage here, and I can go and click on the little, text box at the bottom. Now, what I want to do is I want to go and click on the emoji icon, which is right there. So tap an emoji, and you'll see this page come up. Now, next to describe an emoji, there's going to be a little box that comes up right there. All you want to do is you want to go and tap onto that box, and this is how you can go and create your own emoji. This is called genmoji. So if I wanted to kind of make like a random thing, like let's say I wanted to make a dog, singing, right? Let's say I wanted to make a singing dog or something like that, right? What I can do is I can go and write dog singing just like this, and then we'll go ahead and start creating emojis for me that describe what I was saying. So in this case, I can go and, maybe this one looks great or this one looks great or whatever. But I can just go through and start adding these emojis into my area. So this will come off, I think, as a sticker. So you can see right here, it comes off, as the sticker panel. But that's basically all you have to do. So now all my emojis will basically look something like this. And I can go through and start creating my own emojis like this. So it really is that basic, but that's essentially how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.